Welcome to English Vocabulary, your go-to channel for mastering new words for IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, everyday conversations, and more. Join us in each video to enhance your English vocabulary and communication skills, making learning fun and effective. Let's get started.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Vocabulary. My name is Sarah, and I'm a journalist. Today, I'm going to take you through a day in my life, and we'll learn some new vocabulary words along the way. Let's get started. Mornings are my favorite time of day. As I make my coffee, I always feel a bit ambivalent about whether to start my day with exercise or just relax and read. Speaking of reading, I came across an extant manuscript from the 18th century. It's fascinating to see how some documents can survive through the ages. On my way to work, I often think about how being disinterested is important in journalism. Staying neutral helps in reporting facts accurately. At work, we have to be careful not to undermine each other's efforts. Teamwork and support are key to a successful project. Today, I had to give a presentation. I always try to galvanize my team to take action and be enthusiastic about our goals. During lunch, my friend and I discussed how some people have a parochial view of the world, focusing only on their small circle and not seeing the bigger picture. Writing emails can be tricky. It's important to sound professional and not come across as egregious in any way. After work, I attended a charity event. I deeply venerate those who dedicate their lives to helping others. At the event, we discussed how important it is to be parsimonious with our resources. Saving and spending wisely can make a huge difference. Finally, at the end of the day, I think about how small, innocuous actions can sometimes lead to big changes. It's the little things that count. Thanks for joining me on my day. I hope you learned some new vocabulary. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share any vocabulary you'd like to learn in the comments below. See you next time.
Now that you've enjoyed the story, let's dive into the vocabulary we use today. In this section, we'll go over the descriptions and example sentences for each new word to help you understand and remember them better. Let's get started. Disinterested, unbiased and impartial, not influenced by personal interest. Example: the jury must remain disinterested to ensure a fair trial for the defendant. Parochial: having a limited or narrow perspective, focused on local or small details. Example: his parochial views prevented him from seeing the potential benefits of global collaboration. Undermine: to weaken or damage something gradually or subtly. Example: her constant criticism began to undermine his confidence in his abilities. Venerate: to regard with deep respect or reverence. Example: the community gathered to venerate the local hero who had saved many lives during the disaster. Ambivalent: having mixed or conflicting feelings about something. Example: she felt ambivalent about moving to a new city, excited for new opportunities, but sad to leave her friends. Extant: still existing, not destroyed or lost, typically used to refer to documents or artifacts. Example: the researcher was thrilled to discover an extant copy of the ancient manuscript. Egregious: shockingly bad or remarkably negative. Example: the company's disregard for safety standards was an egregious violation of industry regulations. Galvanize: to stimulate or excite someone into taking action. Example: the leader's speech managed to galvanize the community into volunteering for the cleanup effort. Parsimonious, extremely frugal, or unwilling to spend money unnecessarily. Example: despite his wealth, he was notoriously parsimonious, always looking for ways to cut costs. Innocuous, harmless, and not likely to cause any trouble or offense. Example: her comments were innocuous, but he took offense nonetheless, misunderstanding her intentions. Great job! Now that we've gone through all the new vocabulary words and example sentences, it's time to test your knowledge. Let's move on to a quick quiz. We've prepared a set of multiple choice questions for you to practice what you've learned. Choose the right answers, and you can find the answer key in the description section below. Ready? Let's begin. Thank you for watching today's episode of English Vocabulary. We hope you enjoyed learning new words and phrases to boost your English skills for IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, or everyday use. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear from you. If you have specific vocabulary you want to learn, share your list with us in the comments below. Your suggestions help us create content that's tailored just for you. See you next time.